Alright, picture this. Two of the most powerful phones on the planet, both claiming to have the best camera ever put on a smartphone. We're talking Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra. Both are absolute powerhouses, but when it comes to photography, which one actually captures reality better? Today we're doing a deep dive into detail, AI, color science, and that all-important wow factor. Let's settle the biggest camera phone debate of 2026. The iPhone 16 Pro Max continues Apple's tradition of precision and consistency, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra brings in raw power, AI imaging, and Samsung's bold style. So instead of just reading specs, we'll look at how they feel photo to photo, video to video in real-world use. Both phones scream premium. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes in this sleek black titanium finish, lighter yet stronger than last year's model, with that iconic flat-edge design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, on the other hand, keeps its squared-off industrial look, complete with a built-in S Pen, still unmatched for note-taking and creative control. Both have IP68 water resistance, bright OLED displays, and near bezel-less screens, but Samsung's 6.8-inch panel edges out in sharpness and brightness. If you love contrast-heavy, vibrant visuals, Samsung wins that round. Links for both are in the description below. Now let's get to what matters, the cameras. The Galaxy S25 Ultra packs a 200-megapixel main sensor, enhanced by Samsung's new AI night mode, Super HDR, and Snapdragon 8 Elite image processing. Low-light shots look stunning, detailed, vibrant, and clear even in dim restaurant lighting. Samsung's AI even adjusts exposure across different subjects in the same frame, which gives you more dynamic range but sometimes pushes colors a bit too far. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max sticks to its 48-megapixel triple camera system, but with Apple's A18 Pro chip and a brand new computational Smart HDR6 engine. You get ultra-natural tones, perfect skin color accuracy, and cinematic depth that no one else quite replicates. And the video's still the king. Apple's Dolby Vision, improved stabilization, and better focus tracking make it unbeatable for creators. Samsung wins in detail and flexibility. Apple wins in realism and video. Check both cameras' full samples in the links below. The S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and Samsung's new Galaxy AI features are everywhere, from live call translation to AI photo remastering and background object removal. It feels futuristic and fun. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, powered by the A18 Pro chip, focuses more on seamless intelligence, real-time subject recognition, smarter depth mapping, and AI-driven editing baked right into photos. Apple's Gemini-like integration makes everything smooth and invisible. Samsung makes it bold and customizable. Both last impressively long, around a full day of heavy use. Samsung gives you a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with fast charging and that handy S Pen productivity edge. The iPhone's optimization and battery health are unmatched for longevity, even if it charges a bit slower. For creators who shoot video all day, iPhone efficiency still holds the edge. Find both phones linked in the description to see current deals and colors. So, which is better? If you want a phone that captures hyper-detailed, punchy images with AI-powered tricks, go for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's a powerhouse for photographers and multitaskers who love tinkering with every feature. But if you care about consistent color, lifelike tones, and the best video quality in the business, the iPhone 16 Pro Max still takes the crown. Either way, you're getting next-level camera tech. All the purchase links are in the description. Go check them out and decide for yourself.